Emergency vehicles are often blocked and get stuck in traffic due to late recognition by other vehicles. The Approaching Emergency Vehicle Warning application informs the road users of an approaching emergency vehicle, so they can give way and contribute to save important rescue time. In this example, a police motorcycle is running on an urban road. The V2X-equipped police motorcycle broadcasts an approaching emergency vehicle notification message to inform its presence to the surrounding vehicles. A motorcycle is heading towards the same junction the police motorcycle will pass. With V2X communication, the motorcycle rider is informed about the oncoming emergency vehicle before the rider can actually see the flashing blue lights. The key benefit of this application is early awareness of the rider to take appropriate actions necessary to quickly and safely clear the route for emergency vehicles to pass smoothly.